All right, guys, so we did a BMW. You guys remember doing this BMW last week? It was a 335i. Got a nice little wrap on it, got wheels lowered, just a nice stance. Got factory converters, then secondary converters there, then a factory X pipe. Then he said it droned too much from the straight pipes. So we went ahead and put vibrants 1792s. Part number 1792, there'll be a link in the descriptions for them, 2 of them, right there, as you guys can see. One there, one there. Then he also custom made his own drone pipes. They're Van Huysen drone pipes. He went to a link and they told him the direction, the length, and the temperature and area that they need to be put on. So he made them, he brought them to us, and we put them on for him, there and there. So for their drone pipes. And then you got the carbon fiber tips out the back to finish it off. Looks really nice, really clean. You guys can see right there. There it is. Look at that setup, something different. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification. The more it warms up, the quieter it gets. It did. Those drone pipes made a difference.
I don't hear the drone.
I don't hear anything.
I think under load at like 2,500 does be a good test.
Yeah. Again? Yeah, it's a lot wider. Let you guys hear on the inside. What was that straggler at the end? Yeah, it'll cut down the drone a lot. Let us know what you guys think.